Find out about 5 more things you might not know about Mayflex and the FTTx team. Our dedicated and experienced FTTx team are driven to deliver more. They possess a deep understanding of both the market and our extensive product range. Committed to providing a personalised service, they support you at every step, ensuring you receive the right products at the right time and in the right place. With the addition of AutoStore to our headquarters and the assistance of 14 Maybot robots, we ensure that your orders are picked quickly and accurately. They are then shipped in the most suitably sized crash lock boxes, eliminating the need for excess void filler and extra tape, making them much quicker and easier for you to open upon delivery. We hold over 100 of the fast-moving copper and fibre cables in our dedicated cut cable facility at our headquarters in Birmingham. Whether you need ultra-lightweight, duct, micro-blown or another type of cable, we can cut it to the exact length you need, saving you both time and money on site. In addition to our dedicated team, you can also place orders online up to 8 p.m. for next day free delivery. We even enable your engineers to place orders whilst on site, ready for your authorization before being ordered and dispatched. This saves time and makes your operations more efficient. Sustainability is at the heart of everything we do. We currently hold the EcoVadis Silver rating, and our goal is to achieve net zero by 2030. Some of our initiatives to date include plastic-free packaging, the use of FSC certified paper and card, recycled and recyclable shrink wrap, recycled void filler, reusing cable reels, better energy efficiency with AutoStore, and gas-powered transportation. If you would like to know more information, get in touch with Mayflex today.